Welcome to our home where clouds of bats veil our very existence in this pumpkin wreath tutorial. We will begin with the witching hour black flocked bat on gold metallic fabric bought at Joann Fabric and apply it to a pumpkin wreath from the Dollar Tree using Fabric-Tac fabric glue. Fabric-Tac can be bought at Joann Fabrics. I love Fabric-Tac because it works great when adding a fabric mesh to a wire wreath form. Make sure to pull the material taut and use clamps that you can buy at the Dollar Tree to hold it in place while it dries. It's easiest to start in the middle when gluing and glue to the outer rim. Hey everyone, it's Gail and Luba here. This is our second pumpkin wreath tutorial and we plan to make at least 7 pumpkin wreaths within the next 2 months. Thank you for watching thus far. We appreciate you. I'm using a scraper to smooth out the glue on the wire. Other than the material glue and felt, most materials can be bought at the Dollar Tree. Begin to glue the material to the rim on the front side. Trim the outer edges close to the wire. Continue to glue the material around the rim onto the back side. Our wooden haunted house is being trimmed with kitchen scissors and sanded so that it fits easily inside the pumpkin. Both sides are painted with a black acrylic paint. We are taking a pool noodle that has been split down the middle and trimming it with a pool noodle cutting knife to make the ground. Then we are painting it black. Our beloved cemetery is made out of black felt and twig garland. Our foundation is being glued to the house, and then the house and foundation is being glued to the back of the pumpkin. While it is not necessary to have a backing, we are taking white felt and painting the skies with a bright yellow and orange acrylic paint. Allow the sky to dry. Then add glue to the back of the house and the ground and attach it to the painted felt. Trim the felt right up against the rim. Then glue the edge of the felt inside the pumpkin rim so it doesn't show from the front. For the stem, we used 26 gauge gold wire to wrap around it. In hindsight, it would be much easier to use ribbon or fabric. Next, we made a hanger out of gold ribbon. Stretch out the ribbon so it goes close to one edge to the other edge of the pumpkin. Cut it and then fold the ribbon in half. Wrap the ends around your finger and pull the ends through. After you make the loop, now you're going to place it on the hanger. We hung ours at the top. Bring the ribbon through with the knot at the bottom. Pinch the loop at the top. Open up a loop where the knot is. Thread the other side through to create the hanger.
Say hello to my little friend.
These crows are well made and cost less than $3. You can buy them at Amazon. We just use fabric glue to glue it onto the stem. Last but not least, we glued on these lovely maple leaves that we bought at the Dollar Tree and glued 2 on the right side and 1 behind the bird on the left side just to give it a little bit of pop of color.
We hope you enjoyed this haunting and we look forward to seeing you soon.